down here headed towards the preserve up on Longboat Key at the south point. Headed down that way. Alright, I'm headed down here to Quick Point Nature Preserve. I'm going to go down this little trail. Quick Point Trail. Alright. Oh, I gotta protect the pelicans. The old pelicans. Alright, gone down almost 0.25, quarter mile. Pretty good little trail in here. Alright. Natural lagoon. We got some crazy little crabs on the deck here. Alright. Got a little lagoon. Alright, we got some kind of black snake here on the trail. What's going on there, boy? Gonna have to move along. Psst. Get on out. He on. The old mangroves. Alright. That is Sarasota over there. That's the rest of Longboat Key, going up that way to the north. So this is Quick Point. It's only down just under a half a mile from the trailhead. Saw a manatee in the water go by, but he was down underneath. Trail just came down just a little further. So that was Quick Point up there. So we are headed back.